Hey guys, it's Amanda. I wanted to jump on here real quick and do a little unboxing video for my Stitch Fix box that I have. Do not look at my nails, they are disgusting. I get one, sometimes I get one every month, sometimes I put it off for a couple of months just because it's all about when I can afford to get whatever I like in the box. So, I pay $20 for my box and I wanted to open it and show you what is in it. So, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Bet I can. So it comes just in a regular box. Yes, I did tear off my address. And it comes like this. And here is all the paperwork that comes with it. And then you get, oh, they actually sent me some cute stuff this time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. Oh, let's see what's in here. I've got, this is the clothing. It comes all wrapped up in this little paper with a little sticker so that you know that they selected it for you. And this, I've never gotten a bag like this. What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? She sent me some shoes to try. Thank goodness. Okay, so my stylist name, I believe, let's see here. Let's open this up. What is my stylist name? I think her name is Amanda, which is kind of ironic, I know. Let's see. And here is everything that's in there. Yep, your stylist picks from Amanda. And this is how much the box would cost if you buy everything. And then you can see there's also a discount of 25% if you buy everything in there. And shipping is free. And then you also get your $20 that you put towards it as a credit towards your purchase. So that's always nice. So let's see what we've got here. I always like to surprise myself. So this is what's in there. It's a little cheat sheet type thing. Shows you how to style it with different things, but I like to be surprised by what's in the box. So let's start off here. Move this back. Let's unroll her. Oh, I see a pair of cute jeans. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, these are good. Oh, she listened to what I asked for. I wanted to try a pair of bootcut jeans. And these look so freaking cute. Look at the little detail on the back. That's cute. Let's open these up. And I do go online and I do put in my sizes. So everything is in my size just as I've requested. And I asked her this time if she could send me a pair of bootcut jeans because they've been sending me skinny jeans and I want a pair of bootcuts. I haven't had bootcut jeans in so long. This is cute. Look at that. These are by Democracy. Yes, you can see my size, and yes, I am a big girl. All right, I can't wait to try those on. And what have we got here? Oh, it's a little sweater. Hold on, I'm gonna have to open it. Give me just a second. And you can edit your sizes at any point in time. I did have my shirt size as a large, and then I noticed that a lot of the cute shirts that they were sending me were just a little bit small. So I like things to be a little looser anyway, so I asked them to bump me up from a large to an extra large. And oh my gosh, this is a cute little sweater. It feels so soft too. That's one thing I love, is that all their fabrics are like super soft. And I told her that I like long-tailed shirts. I like, you know, I like it to cover my butt. So this one is my Pink Clover. So cute. All right, let's try this one. Oh yes, I love these. Oh yes, I love this one. This one is by Daniel Rain. And it is a cute, like, flowy top. It looks like it's probably, oh, what has a little thing here? It looks like you can roll up the sleeves. Really cute. I like it. Try that on later. And then, let's see. This is the last shirt that they sent. And this is by Pink Clover also, which is the other sweater. And it's about the same kind of look. It's just different colors, which I like that too because it's got a lot of pretty colors down the side, and it's super soft as well. Now on to the fun part that I've never gotten before, and I'm so excited to try this one. Let's see. All right, let's see. Can I open this one-handed? I can. Look at there. I can do it. All right. Oh my gosh. How freaking cute are these? And the good thing about this is that you don't have to buy any of it if you don't want to. Oh my gosh. Yes. Give me all the little suede booties. They're so cute. I love the little heel on it. That's going to go perfect with those bootcut jeans. So I can't wait to try all of this on. Okay, first of all, yes, I do have pigtails in. I washed my hair earlier and I just wanted to like do a quick little braid while I was sitting there. Anyway, whatever. Here is the outfit. Is this not adorable? Tell me. I love bootcut jeans. Yes. Something that's not tight around my freaking ankle. She knocked it out of the park with this box. I love it. Here's the shirt. You can kind of see I am wearing a dark bra. Yes. So it's going to show through a little bit. But I love how it fits. It's just the right length. It's super comfortable. It's not tight at all. It feels great. The jeans, oh my gosh, let me show you. They have this big elastic band at the top. Oh my gosh. For any moms out there, you know how important that is to keep it up where it's supposed to be. And let me just show you. The little detail button is so cute. These are size 14 petite because I am short. I am, you know, 5 foot nothing. So regular ass pants are not gonna work for me. And then let's talk about the boots. Oh my gosh, look at these. Is that not the cutest pair of boots you have ever seen? Oh, and it goes perfect with this outfit. It really does. So that's outfit number 1. Here is the second shirt that I got, which I didn't realize when I put on the boots with the jeans and this top and having my hair and little pigtails here, I did not realize that I would look like a cowgirl. Anyway, so this is the second top. I think it's adorable. The back tail comes down, which I love. I always want to have it coming down, you know, down here. It's not too short in the front. I can lift my arm up in the air and nothing's gonna show. It would be cuter probably with an undershirt, but just for trying it on right now, it's great. And last but not least, here is shirt number 3. It's about the same length as the other one. I think it's basically the same shirt. They just did different colors. I do feel like the arm texture is a little bit different. But anyway, here's my Stitch Fix box. And I do have a code. I will leave it in the description or bio or whatever I'm posting this to. I will leave it down below so that y'all can use it and you will get, I believe, a $25 referral fee thing, and then I will get $25. And then if you end up signing up for a box, I think, I don't know how much, I think I get another $25 or something like that. Anyway, it's a great referral program, and then you can use your code and give it to all your friends and family, and you can get basically 3 boxes for a couple months. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing, and yeah, that's it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.